What's up everybody, welcome to the Side Hustler channel. This is a brand new channel which we created specifically to teach our aspiring internet entrepreneurs a few things we learned, as well as learning and trying a few things ourselves. This video is part 2 of this series. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to ensure you see all the videos. Also, go back and check out the previous videos. In this video, we are going to illustrate a simple way to hook up a basic lead capture funnel which redirects to an affiliate product. So let's not hold it up too long, and get into it. It's all in the list. You must have heard that statement countless times during your journeys in e-commerce. Let's set one up and start using it. By the way, in the description there is a link to our #1 resource for affiliate training, go check it out, you won't regret it. Okay, let's start with Mailchimp since it has a useful free tier. Create a new free account, or log into your existing account if you have one, and set up an audience. Now we will create a landing page. For a start, we will pick a simple default template. By default, only the email address is required. We always add the first name as well, as it allows us to send more personalized emails, without asking the lead to divulge too much information. You can tweak the styling of the page a bit, that's up to you. We must edit the heading to something catchy. For this example, I am going to stick to something close to the channel name. Next, we need to add a logo or image. The YouTube channel art we created in the previous video will come in handy here. We simply need to crop it to fit. And we are also going to get rid of the extra text on the screen, we will add more later. Okay, we have decided to make the heading a bit more of a call to action. Now let's head over to our affiliate offer and get a URL. For the sake of this video, we have opted for Clickbank, but you can choose any other affiliate product. Log into Clickbank. Or if you have created a new account, remember to properly verify your email address, as that has caused many new members some trouble. Once in Clickbank, we choose an account to access and select the marketplace. In the marketplace, we search for a product related to our niche. In our case, meditation. We will pick this one, and generate the Hoplink. Let's copy the Hoplink and head back to the Mailchimp page, and turn it into a funnel. How do we do this, you may think, since journeys are for paid Mailchimp accounts only? Well, I will let you in on a little secret. In the Mailchimp landing page editor, you can redirect the landing page to any URL of your choice, after the lead's details have been captured. Even back to another landing page for an upsell, or to a Clickbank product. That is a nice feature we can leverage from the free account. We go back to the landing page and click the button to edit the page. Once in the edit screen, we select the capture section and click on the pencil so we can edit the section. As you can see, you can edit content, style and settings. We will edit the content, and scroll down to the section for the button, and change the send to option to web address. This will allow us to enter a target URL. This is where we paste the Clickbank Hoplink. But, we are not quite done yet. Since we are sending people to an affiliate product, we should add a disclaimer to our landing page. We have one saved in our script just for this. Let's copy and paste it into a new section at the bottom of the landing page. As you can see, we added a blank section to add a bit of space between the capture form and the disclaimer section. We can now save the landing page. Great, we are almost done here. Click the publish button to make the landing page live. Copy the URL, and let's head back to YouTube Studio. We go back to the basic info section under the customization page. Remember the links we mentioned in the previous video? Well, this is where we are going to add the first link. Click Add a link, and give it a catchy title, then we paste the Mailchimp landing page link we created into the URL part. Click the publish button, and let's head over to the channel and have a look at the link. You can see the link on top of the channel on the right. That's it. You have added your first funnel link leading to an affiliate product. In a later video, we will discuss ways you add calls to action for your viewers. For now, we are going to leave this video here. Please leave a comment on this video and tell us what you think. If you feel that we may have missed something, please let us know, so we can add it to a future video. And finally, please subscribe to this channel so you can watch the rest of the videos in this series. Catch you in the next video.